Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Here today we have a beautiful Chevrolet pickup truck. We have the owner here today. What is this beauty we have?
1956 Chevrolet Cameo pickup, one of 1,452 made.
Wow, that paint is just to die for. Let's have a little walk around here, shall we? So where did this baby come from anyway?
Coquitlam.
Nice. Oh, that paint. Oh my God. Ooh-wee. In case you forgot, it is a Chevrolet, folks. Wow, look at those white walls. Do you know where the vehicle originally came from?
No, I don't. I bought it in Burnaby.
Nice. So it's obviously not stock. Do you know what changes have been made to it?
I put a 409 tri-power in it, 700R, 12-volt Posi. Still got stock steering, but it's got power brakes.
Wow, look at that front end.
And it's got air conditioning.
Oh yeah, you need that with a black car, right? Well, let's take a little walk around here and then get to the nitty and the gritty. Wow, flawless. A lot of body work done to it, or was it pretty?
It was pretty good shape. There's only 71,000 original miles on it.
Love the V8 logo. 3100 Chevrolet Hydromatic, baby, in case you forgot. Look at that paint job. Oh my God.
Sides on the box are fiberglass.
Lightweight.
Made by same company that made Corvette bodies.
And the rims are what?
Raider.
Wow, that's a nice touch. They're kind of like classy Kragers, but nicer.
Old school.
Yeah, totally. Love it. So what is not stock about this other than the wheels?
Drivetrain.
Drivetrain's been
Rest
swapped
of this
out?
all original at the outside.
Wow. So what would they call this back in the day? Like, what term would they use to describe this model?
Just a hot rod.
There we go. You got that right. And it says it, baby. Look at that dual exhaust.
The center of the bumper folds down and there's where you put the spare tire in.
No way. Is that easy to access?
Yeah.
Can you show us that?
No.
No, it's buttoned up.
Yeah.
So if you're on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh, what is that bed made of anyway?
It's all oak, clear coat.
I'm just beside myself with this. So beautiful. Look at those lines. Well, do you mind if we have a peek at the inside, sir?
Sure.
Can you open it up for us, please? Ooh-wee. Oh my God. Look at that, in case you forgot. It's made by Chevrolet. Oh, the chrome. You can just smell the car polish and the chrome oozing. V8. There you go. Wow. Still got the stock radio?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's upgraded to AM/FM.
So back in the day, this has all been chromatized, right? Definitely.
Yeah.
They wouldn't have spent.
Basically all stock inside. They just chromed everything else.
Wow. Nice new seats been redone. Is that a speaker up there between the visors?
Yeah, speaker.
Wow, nice touch. So VIN number on here.
Fiberglass.
Wow.
Fiberglass? No? Not that bad. Halfway through 58.
You mind if we have a peek under the hood, sir, please? See what this baby is hiding. Behold. Oh, ho, ho.
Oh, tri-power 409? Yeah, 409. It's a truck motor.
Here's a bit of trivia for you. Do you know how you tell a 348 from a 409?
Dipstick.
Yep. Dipstick's on a 348 is on the driver's side. Dipstick on the 409 is on the passenger side.
Even the horn is
that right?
freaking chromed. Wow. There we go. Offenhauser. Tri-curb setup.
Factory tri-power off a 348.
Wow, I'm just beyond words with this baby. All right, folks, put your jaws back up into your teeth.
I could show you something on the tailgate too.
Oh shoot. All right, let's do this. The black, the chrome, everything about this thing is freaking cool. Wow. Wow.
Just like the station wagons.
Isn't that beautiful? Just love it, love it. All right, folks, so there you have her. Go get a tall drink of cold water because this thing made you hot for hot rods. We'll catch you on the flip side. Bye for now.